Good morning, everybody. Last night was a tough night, but I wanted to get an update out there for everybody. So this is, it's important. Everybody's got questions. Phones are all blowing up all over the Alliance, and everybody wants to know what's going on, what the next steps are. So here it is. Next step is we obviously still have the lawsuit, and that's going to progress just like it has been. Land Legacy is debating right now what their next steps are going to be. We really hope they'll come on board, join our lawsuit. They have significant standing, and they have to defend their easement. So we should get an answer on that pretty quick here. And we also are going to appeal the zoning decision. First step there is to file a letter of intent to appeal with the city clerk. Once that's filed, we will work on that appeal, and that will get filed in district court as well. So it will be a separate lawsuit. But then that lawsuit will most likely end up getting merged with the annexation lawsuit. This isn't going to be a fast process, but we are confident that while there's pending litigation, the developers can't move forward. They can't close on the land. It gums up the works, and it still keeps them from moving forward and starting to push any dirt or develop the land. So the fight's not over. Just because the city rezoned it doesn't mean that they won. We still have the litigation, and that's ultimately where this is going to get won. So that being said, the biggest way that you can help right now is to donate to the legal fund. This is not going to be a cheap battle. It has not been a cheap battle thus far, and it's only going to get more expensive given the city's posture last night and complete unwillingness to listen to even their own laws and regulations that are supposed to govern them, and their complete disregard. They're not above the law, but they're digging their heels in the ground, and they're going to fight it tooth and nail. And it's going to be a long, expensive battle. So the best way to donate is, if you know anybody that lives in Rock Community, cash or check, just call them. You can get it to them. You can get it to me. You can get it to Rick Plummer. He's the board treasurer. That way, cash or check, nobody gets to take anything off the top. But if you donate online, we do lose a very small percentage of that. If that's most convenient for you and that's what you want to do, that's great. Please. There is a donate button on the website. We also have the QR code with the link to our GoFundMe page on our Facebook page. We do take CashApp. We take Venmo. Those are all ways that you can donate. Cash or check are best. Just get a hold of somebody in Rock Community, get them to get the donation to them, and we'll get it deposited into the account. But that's the biggest way you can help right now. The city council voted the way they did. We're not going to change their hearts and minds. Talk to people in town. Talk to people in town about why this is wrong. Not necessarily about the data center. Just talk about the government overreach, how the city acted illegally from the get-go. A lot of people don't understand that. And so if you have questions on that or need to brush up on that, we can do a separate video explaining that whole concept and why that shouldn't have been allowed in the first place, and then we wouldn't even be here today. But again, best way you can help right now is donate. We're going to have a lot of stuff happening. The situation is very fluid, changes almost hour by hour. And so a lot's going to be happening over the next couple days and weeks. Stay tuned. We'll keep putting out more videos. And if you have questions, shoot us a message. Get a hold of some of the members. We'll do our best to get them answered. Thanks, everybody, for your support. We're sorry things went the way they went last night, but we're not surprised. A little deflated, but certainly not defeated. And we will continue to fight. Have a good day, everybody.